Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, always welcome here. I posted a couple of videos wearing this wig on my TikTok and everybody's been obsessed. I've gotten so many compliments. Everybody wants to know where I got it from, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a full review. So I've worn it a couple of times. Obviously, if you want to see what it looks like straight out of the box, check my TikTok out. Although, like, why even bother, because they're getting rid of that app anyway. um, Maybe if I find a clip, I'll insert it somewhere on the screen. But it is a glueless wig. You're meant to kind of just like put it on and go. As you can see, I've worn it a couple of times, so it's a little dirty, but don't worry. We're gonna clean it up before we put it on. It is from ISEE Hair. If you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna put the link down below in the description box. Let me go ahead and clean this. A little alcohol is all you need. I can't even bother to finish the sentence. Do you see? Just I sprayed a little alcohol and boom, wiped it off. It's clean. I do not put on a dirty wig because it will not lay. So it is a glueless wig, but my thing with glueless wigs is I never feel safe. I don't know. Is it secure? I've had a couple that felt secure, but I don't know. These days I can't. What do we think about my hair? I love when I have my hair like this, but I like it when it gets a little older. You know what I mean? Not when it's bone straight, fresh. No, I like it when it's a little older, when it's a little juicier. All right. Anyway, I have probably worn a couple of glueless wigs that did feel safe, but a lot of the times what I'll do is I'll just glue just a little, just in the front, just with a little spray, just to melt the lace. Really though, it's more so that I feel safe and secure. I wanted to show you guys how easy it is, and I'm afraid it's not. It's not looking as easy as I know it to be. Oh, there it is. I had it flipped and I can. It's been a long day, guys. What's that song? John Legend. It's been a long day, my friend. No, that's not John Legend. What am I thinking? Oh, I think it's like that car racing game. No. Movie. What is it? Fast Cars? Is that what I'm thinking? I think it was my high school song, my high school graduation song. It's been a long day, my friend. All right. There you go. You see that? Okay, what I like to do to really bring it all together, you want to make sure you have a little something out. Now, if you had a regular head, the lace wouldn't stop here, you know what I mean? Boom. Like, the lace is pretty good, literally. You don't even have to do anything else, but I like to take it just a couple of steps farther. And I just take a little bit on the back of my hand. And I already did it when I first put it on, so I'm just refreshing it, but I already have a little bit on. I just like to press it in there. Like, this is probably one of the easiest wigs that you can have, to be honest with you. One of the easiest. It's not completely easy. You do have to put in a little work sometimes. Okay, this is the melting spray. It's from the same brand. I got it on a pack on Amazon. There's probably a healthier alternative, and I need to look into that. I'm going to take a little bit. I'm not even going to spray it on the cap. A little napkin. too much, too much. You don't gotta do too much. Let it sit for a good 30 minutes. But if you're gonna be going out somewhere, like you might wanna blow dry it. Like, to work, you're okay, you know what I mean? But you're going out to, I don't know, outdoors, you're gonna be sweating, you're gonna be dancing, you know what I mean? Blow dry it. My camera keeps dying. No, I'm not gonna get distracted. Guys, I have like a million conversations within one conversation. It's crazy. Okay. Do you see that? I mean, obviously lace is lace, right? But like, come on. Imagine if I was really like sitting down and getting to it. This is light work, okay? A little water. Do you see that? This is so stunning. And that's it. Back in the day when I used to do wig reviews, I used to say, I'm saying yes to this wig. But I am. I'm saying yes to this wig. Yeah, I would give it a solid 7 out of 10. Like, there are things that could be fixed, but for the price, it's a great deal. I will have to say that's a great deal. Did you guys watch my last makeup video? I'm like in love with that video. Do you guys like it? What do you guys think? Do you like the makeup videos? Should I stop? I'm going to be doing more get ready with me videos, just me getting ready to go to work in the morning. I'm going to try to film them in the morning and to post them at the end of the day. So I'm thinking maybe I'll start the day while I get ready and then vlog out through the day. But the thing is, there's nothing much to vlog. I just go to work and then sometimes I'll go to my brother's or I'll hang out with friends. It's nothing much. So it's either I film myself get ready every morning and then I post them together at the end of the week, or I film me getting ready every morning and I post them every day. That's too much. Could I do it? I don't know. Anyway, oh, what? It's like, can I go? Every time you think I'm done, I keep. I have more to say. I'm gonna start decorating my apartment because I realized that sometimes you just have to do, like, you have to make a choice, you have to decide, and you just have to do. So I've decided I'm just going to do. Um, I'm buying wallpaper. I'm gonna start with the walls first, and then I'm gonna start putting the furniture together. So I got the wallpaper. I'm gonna put it up. I'm gonna vlog the whole thing. And by the time I'm done, you guys will see. You guys will see. But you guys are gonna see so much more of me on here. I'm getting a text. You guys are gonna see so much more of me on here. Like, I'm back. Also, guys, check out my podcast. Oh, my friend is inviting me somewhere. Guys, check out my podcast. Farah Podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcast, Podchaser, everywhere. Check out my podcast. Should I start posting it on here? I'm gonna start posting on YouTube Shorts. Probably not. I don't wanna post on YouTube Shorts. Love the wig. Love the makeup right now. Bye. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys next time. Wait, a little slow-mo for the hair. A little outro. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah. Bye.